Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices hit record highs, defying the dollar's rise, which kept pressure on the yen and the euro, while global stocks edged lower amid investors' reluctance to place major bets ahead of the US election. Wall Street fell, led lower by mega-cap stocks, as US Treasury yields climbed and investors grew less confident about the outlook for strong rate cuts from the Federal Reserve, while corporate news pressured McDonald's and Coca-Cola. Japan's regulators are reluctant to approve cryptocurrency-based ETFs, even as global markets embrace spot crypto ETFs. Despite growing calls from domestic advocacy groups and partnerships forming to launch digital asset products, Japan's tax and regulatory stance continues to present hurdles to adoption. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 23:01 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 10 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.